See what you can do with that empty Coke, Pepsi, Sprite, or any other large plastic soda bottle. Recycle it into a wild bird feeder. The soda bottle bird feeder is so easy to mount. Just punch a hole for the wire hanger in each side of the bottom, then fill the bottle with wild bird seed. A 1.5 liter soda bottle holds more seed than most standard bird feeders. Now screw on the patented zinc adapter, and there's a new picnic place for your garden birds to gather and feed. Watch them have a party. Your own soda bottle bird feeder is simple to clean. Rinse it in the sink or put it in the dishwasher. No need to worry about bacteria forming in the leftover feed. If you live in an apartment with a balcony or outside flower box, mount the feeder on a pole or pipe and watch the birds gather round. Since the soda bottle bird feeder was introduced in America 2 years ago, close to 200,000 of these easy feeders are now in use in the U.S. and Canada. The feeder is new in Europe, but it's already available by mail order from many wildlife protection societies, garden centers, hardware, and pet stores. For whom do the birds sing? For you, from your own soda bottle bird feeder.